Hello, everybody, and welcome to day 7 of the OSINT4Fun Advent Challenge. Today's challenge is called Robert, and we are given a picture of a World War II plane as a hint. And it says, this plane is emblematic of an American series from the 70s. The main character was inspired by the life of a real life hero. Among his medals, at which address can you admire his highest U.S. military honor? Okay, so for those of you who don't know, the highest U.S. military honor is the Medal of Honor. So that's one clue there. Um, that should be fairly easy to find. So let's go ahead and start by doing a reverse image search. I'm going to go ahead and take and copy the image address. I'm going to put it in a reverse image search. Just use Google Lens. And got this. Okay, so we've got a lot about the plane. It's a Corsair. So let's see if we can find anything about a movie or series from the 70s. The fact that this was a real plane, I don't think we're going to see anything here. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to close this out. And I am going to just Google search Corsair Pilot Series 70s. Let's see what comes up. Okay. So you see that there was a TV series that ran from 1976 to 1978. The dramatized World War II adventures of U.S. Major Gregory Pappy Boynton and his U.S. Marine Attack Squadron, the Black Sheep Squadron. We got a Wikipedia article, and those are always the best lead that I've found. Start with those. Use the other links as secondary information if needed. So let's go ahead and open up this one titled Baba Black Sheep TV series. Okay. So I'm going to do a page search, Control F if you're on Windows, and I'm going to look for Medal of Honor. And doesn't look like anything is coming up. So let's see. I think we're definitely on the right page. So let's see if we can find something on him directly. See if there's a Wikipedia article on him. Yep, I saw it just as I clicked on it. He was a Medal of Honor. He received the Medal of Honor and the Navy Cross. Okay. So we're definitely on the right track. Let's see if we can find where his Medal of Honor is located. Let's go to Contents, Honors, Airport Naming. Okay, so right here we've got this University of Washington Medal of Honor Memorial. Click on that. Okay, it's kind of reading through this a little bit. So there was a memorial that was raised for him at the University of Washington. It's this thing doesn't necessarily mean that his Medal of Honor is there. But it might be. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and just pull this Wikipedia article aside, and it wants the address like so. So I'm going to Google. Here. This will be a little bit of a lesson for those of you who have not yet learned how to use Google Dorks. What we're going to do is we are going to search in double quotes Boyington. Just hold on one second. Do this in that case, just in case. I don't know if Google Dorks are case sensitive or not. So when Google Dorking, using double quotes like this is basically telling Google to only give you an exact match. So if I were to search for this, and we'll go ahead and just do that, I am only going to get articles that contain Boyington. Exactly. There won't be any Bayington or anything else in the results unless the results contain the name Boyington. One thing about this is you can chain them with an operator. There's two operators that you'll want to know as a beginner, the AND and the OR operator. You're going to spell them in all caps. So it would either be AND or it would be OR. We're going to use the AND operator. And what this is doing is it's saying that it has to be an exact match with this and something else. And we are going to do the Medal of Honor. I'm going to go ahead and cap. No, we'll leave that lowercase. I need to look into that and see if Google Dork operators are case sensitive. Okay, so again, I'm using these double quotes, and what this is doing is telling Google that it must contain Medal of Honor, not medal, not honor, not Navy Cross, or any other types of medals. But it has to, whatever Google presents has to contain an exact match of this and an exact match of the name Boyington. So hit search, and all of these articles will have both. Medal of Honor, Boyington, Medal of Honor, Boyington. And you'll see that it has those queries that we did in bold too. This first one seems really promising, the Congressional Medal of Honor Society. I would guess that they would maybe be tracking where the medal's at. Gregory Pappy Boyington. Medal of Honor Action Place. I don't know if I'm guessing that's probably where it was awarded. Right here. Location of medal. Marine Memorial Club, San Francisco, California. So I'm going to copy that, close this. I'm going to search through my tabs. Maps, paste that address, search. Okay, here we are, Marines Memorial Club and Hotel. Let's grab this address. I'm going to move this to the side just in case it doesn't work. Might try some different variations. Now, this only has the street name, so I'm guessing that's what it wants. Bad answer. Let's go ahead and remove San Francisco and the zip code. Take it to that. Still not working, and let's try street. There we go. 609 Sutter Street is the answer to today's challenge.